In this scenario, we will use the check-in bulk feature of the uPerform client to add multiple PDFs as managed documents to the uPerform website. After the upload, we will also show how to edit the document names and add a description. The same process could apply to adding a variety of file formats such as video, Excel, Word and PowerPoint. Start by assembling the content to be uploaded to uPerform in a folder such as this batch upload folder example on the local C drive. Launch the uPerform client editor application on your PC. Select File. Check-in. Check-in batch. From the main menu in the top left. Click File and follow the menu path to the batch check-in screen. Click Browse to select your upload folder location if it is not already defaulted. Click All Files, to upload all file types in the root directory, or you can be more specific and select just one file type from the drop-down list. Select the relevant project from the drop-down list to batch check into. Example: EHR/EMR training. Only one file destination/target folder can be selected, but once checked into uPerform you have the option to use the Move function on the uPerform Management Center to move the source content between document library folders within the selected project if necessary. Select the relevant document library folder location for the file upload. In this example there are no subfolders, so just select the top level of the project. Click OK. All the documents have been batch checked in successfully. If any files failed check-in, select the batch check-in log link to review the details. Click OK. Now you have successfully batch checked in multiple documents to the uPerform website. Navigate to the project's document library destination where the content was checked into. A quick way to navigate there is via the View Library link in the uPerform client editor. Click View. Click Library. Navigate to the relevant document library folder location specified for the batch check-in. In this example, as there were no subfolders, our content will be visible at the top level of our project's document library. Click Document Library. Highlighted are the 4 documents that were batch checked in as curated content. The curated content has been successfully batch checked in and added to your project's document library, which contains all your source content, but it is not yet published to the end user website. Once the steps are completed, add a property set, assign a user group, assign a learning library location, and publish. The batch checked in content will be visible to end users. Check with your uPerform consultant or administrator for the specific steps required for your project. Click to select one of the batch checked in documents. In our example, the document has already been assigned to the Good Health property set. Check with your uPerform consultant or administrator to find out whether you should assign your managed documents to a property set. By selecting the document title link beneath translation, we can next edit the document to add a description and assign property values. Search and navigation results are improved by adding a description to a document. Click Overview of My Chart Patient Portal. Click Open menu. Click Edit Properties. The name of a document that has been batch checked in is taken from the original file name. This is your opportunity to edit the document name/title that is presented to the end users when navigating or searching for content on the Learning Library. Click Name and edit if required. Batch checked in learning content has a blank description by default. It is best practice to add a short description of the learning content. The description shows in the uPerform search and navigation results, making content easier to find for the learner. For text-based managed documents such as MS Word, PDF or PowerPoint, an icon for the AI Description Generator tool is displayed. This can be used to suggest a description for you. Alternatively, you can enter your own text manually in the description box. Please note, this AI description option will not be available unless a property set has been assigned to the content. Click the icon for the AI Description Generator tool. The text of the document has been read by the AI tool and a description suggestion returned. You can choose to use it, try again, make it shorter or make it longer. Consider if the description returned is accurate. It can also be manually edited before saving the changes. Click Open menu. Click Try again. Click Use this. The assignment of a property set allows additional document properties to display beneath the description box. In this scenario, The properties include IAH tag, in-application help tag, and review date, but other commonly used examples might include copyright or application. Edit one or more document properties as advised by your uPerform administrator. Click Save. Once the document is ready to be available for end users, click Publish. As an author, if you do not also have a publishing permission/role in uPerform, you can alert your team to the addition of this content and request that they publish it on your behalf, and you can skip to the end of this instruction. Click Publish. A successful publish message should appear briefly in the bottom right corner of the Management Center, and the document status is now current version is published. It is best practice to also check how the managed document you added, in this case a PDF document, appears on the Learning Library to the end user. Click View in Learning Library. The Learning Library page will open in a new browser tab.